How to make buffalo chicken dip. This buffalo chicken dip recipe is an easy classic that features 3 different layers of flavors including chicken. Use canned or rotisserie, mixed with your favorite buffalo sauce. I always go for Frank's Red Hot, cream cheese, ranch dressing, and, of course, lots of cheese. Ingredients: 8 ounces cream cheese softened, 2/3 cup sour cream, 2/3 cup buffalo sauce, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 cups chicken breast cooked and shredded, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese divided, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese divided, 2 green onions thinly sliced. Equipment: mixing bowls, hand mixer. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a medium mixing bowl, mix the cream cheese, sour cream, buffalo sauce, and garlic powder with a hand mixer on medium speed until fluffy. 3. Gently fold in the shredded chicken, half a cup cheddar cheese, half a cup mozzarella cheese, and sliced green onions. 4. Transfer the mixture to a small baking dish or pie plate and spread into an even layer. 5. Sprinkle the remaining cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese on top. 6. Bake for 20 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Broil 1 minute if desired. 7. Cool for at least 5 minutes before serving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.